Want your home to smell good in a natural way this fall? I have a simmer pot recipe that's going to fill your home with the best, most delicious smell ever. If you're having guests over, try this recipe for a wonderfully inviting home. We're going to start by slicing an orange. Doesn't matter how thick. Now stick around to the end so I can tell you the exact steps I took to make this fall simmer pot and to get your home smelling delicious for your next guests. Then place the slices in a small sauce pot. Next, slice up some apples. I quartered my apples, then removed the seeds, and then sliced them. Like the orange, it doesn't matter how thick you slice them. Once you've sliced them, place the slices in the sauce pot. Next, add in 2 cinnamon sticks. You can break these up a little, but I've just put mine in whole. To this, add a palm full of cloves and 4 allspice. Then fill your pot up to the top with water. Turn your stove on to medium-low or low depending on your stove and let it simmer. After about an hour or two, it'll look like this and your home will start to smell like you've been baking all day. Leave it simmering all day, adding water throughout the day. I just added water from my kettle, and this will leave your home smelling wonderful all day and into the next day as well. Want some more inspiration? Check out my ribbon charm bookmark DIY. It makes a great gift. And check out the DIY advent calendar made from paper towel rolls. In this, I include some printables, so you're going to want to check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and while you're at it, click the subscribe icon and notification bell all icon if you want to live a more organized, more beautiful, and more happy life on a budget. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and I'll see you soon.